This is gonna be the hotel room tour of the Ramada in Painted Post, New York. There's your hangers, kind of like an open closet, iron and ironing board. Mirror, look in the mirror, who do you see? Hey now. Fluorescent light. Standard hotel style sink. There's my brush. Hair dryer. Another fluorescent light. Got some body lotion and hair conditioner, and there was some shampoo there. This, I don't know what that is. There's a bar of soap. American Standard toilet for all your toilet fans. Let's flush the toilet. There it goes. Then you have your shower, which I'm not going to demonstrate now due to time constraints because I am checking out right now. There's your shampoo. And if you want, I'll do it really quick. There it is. Standard hotel style arched shower curtain. How you turn this thing off. Hope my camera didn't get wet, because it's not waterproof. And you have two queen-sized or double beds. There's a bench. You have an Emerson flat screen TV, which I'll demonstrate for like 2 seconds. There you have it. Alarm clock, which is not showing the correct time. You have standard hotel style telephone. That clock says it is 10 a.m. while it is really 9:44 a.m. Let me just put my phone back in my pocket. You have a Magic Chef microwave, which is a little dirty right now. Magic Chef refrigerator with a bottle of my cherry Dr. Pepper in there. Standard hotel style desk with another mirror. Got a lamp with phone jack and an outlet. Let me just quickly demonstrate. Coffee maker with tea and coffee. Coffee's right there. There's the internet jack from Time Warner Cable Business Class. You got a chair, which is basic. Here's your climate control system. And here's a view outside. It's a beautiful day. There's an outdoor pool. Got another lamp here, as well as a chair and a desk. I mean a table, like a coffee table. And these beds were very comfortable. Not too soft and not too firm. And there's some generic hotel artwork and a smoke detector. There's some more artwork. So that concludes the hotel room tour. One more thing, just demonstrate this light. Which it doesn't want to demonstrate now, but forgot. There's the good book, the phone book, another phone book. There's a little compartment, a drawer, another drawer, nothing special in it. So now that concludes the hotel room tour for this Ramada Inn in Painted Post, New York. Hope you enjoyed it, and that's it.